Yo, what's up, everybody? Well, as you can see, we got the motor back in, and we're about to show you what's up. So we got the motor back in after a long day. Now we're just chilling. Me and my sidekick just trying to play. Huh? So, as you can see, we got the motor back in. The 3-valve swap is back in. Like I said in a previous video, we did this years ago, probably 2013, 14-ish, somewhere around there, and the motor hasn't been out since, and we found some rust damage that we had to repair, and we repaired it. And while we repaired it, we smoothed out the engine bay a little bit to give it a better look. And I think it's looking fantastic. Let's step back and take a look. And there was a lot of stuff that was rotted out. You could see I had to buy replacement fenders. I already had the shaved antenna. I couldn't see with the ground effects that were on the car. The fenders were rotted out at the bottom. So I bought a factory fenders off of somebody online, and here they are. And then we repainted the car. It's not a perfect job, but it's a 5-footer. Got the brakes hooked back up, the springs back in, everything's bolted up down there with the spacers. We got the trans in. I didn't get to tighten the bolts yet, but we'll get there. But we got the trans in with the stifless cross member. Next time we go to work on it, we're gonna start plugging everything back in. Get the exhaust hooked back up, the H pipe back on, the coolant reservoir, the radiator in, the windshield washer fluid in, everything in. But this is just a little quick update. Got the motor in. Everything's coming together pretty decent. Shifter's up in there. We'll reinstall the handle and everything. We'll probably install the seat last, but everything's back together in here. And this is my steering wheel. It's pretty sweet. I should have got the same one for the Coyote swap, but I didn't want to have two of the same steering wheels, so I could always interchange them. So we should have all the factory gauges working because I'm running a T45 with the mechanical speedo. And like I said, it's not a perfect car. It's not a show car. It's a pretty clean car now. I repaired a whole bunch of rust and I'm going to take it to the next step and get this back up and running. So this is a quick video of the 3-valve swap back in and what it's looking like coming along. Can't wait to fire back up. So yeah, there you have it. Little quick update. We got the motor back in and everything after a long day's work, and You want to keep seeing them videos, keep hitting them like, share, and subscribe buttons, and keep tuning in. Till that next video, peace.